Hey guys, it's Darren, and I've just come back from the shops and realized that someone has hit the bottom of my door. The dent isn't huge, but it's really annoying me. So I reckon this time round, what we should do, instead of pulling all the trims out because there's very limited access into that dent, what we're going to do is glue pull. So first of all, let us go and have a look at this dent, see what it looks like, and then we'll get on with the repair. Alright guys, here it is. Here is that really annoying dent. It's right on the body line. And we'll just try and glue this one out. Alright, now that we know we need to use the glue pull method, let's go get some tools and pull this dent out. Alright guys, you can see the dent there. You can see that the paint's been damaged a little bit. That was due to the collision. There was a bit of paint damage there, but all I need to do now is just give it a quick buff and that scratch will disappear. So there you have it guys, that's how you repair a dent with the glue pull method. Look guys, I just want to say thank you, but before we go, I'd like to give you access to my PDR Online Academy as a token of my appreciation for checking out my content. The PDR Online Academy shows people in detail how to repair dents on various car panels and theory of PDR. So I usually sell this course for $299, but because you guys have actually gone to the effort to check out my content and spend time with me, I feel like, hey, let's reward these people, these followers. I'm going to give you this offer for only $49. Look, this offer is absolutely crazy. I've got other PDR guys messaging me saying, hey, this is too crazy, you can't do this, it's going to kill our if you let out this secret, it's going to kill our industry. Look, to be honest, I just want to help people, and if you're really interested in PDR, I think this course is really going to help you. So look, if this is for you, click on the button below and get access to my PDR Online Academy right now. I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you guys on my PDR Online Academy. Till then, keep safe.